Hi, so we are going to solve Excel challenge 613 on this slide. And I have downloaded that sample file. So you can download that file from this link. And what does this problem says is sum of digit sequence. Okay. So only important part is this one. Okay. So you can see it's the sum of all the digits sequence from the start, and it will start with 1, and you can see 1, the next number will be 1 again, and then the next number is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and the next number is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4, and just sum this all, then you will get 18, sorry, 8, and then sum up these again, you will get 16, and now the 16 will be split into 1 and 6. That's the main part of this particular problem. You need to split that number digits into individual digit and then sum of them. Okay, so once you want to get the the next number of 16, then you will get 23. Okay, so you can download that file, and I have downloaded that file. So here is that. So let me just explain one thing, that let's say if you want the next number of a specific given number, right, like this 38, then this next number of this 38 is going to be the 38 plus sum of the digits of that particular number. And why is that? Because we already summed up all the previous digits, right, all of those numbers digits, so we don't need to do that again. We can just consider this one is the sum of all of those digits that is appeared in previous numbers, and then you can just sum up with with the digits of this one. So let me show you. So let's say my provided number is, let's say previous number is 38. Okay, so that's my previous number. Now I want to find the next number, and that is going to be this mid and sequence length of this and 1. So it will provide me all the digits. Now I can just provide this sum, and you can see this is 0 because mid function returns an string, so we need to convert this into a number, and that's how we get the sum of the digits of that particular number. So the next number is going to be that previous number plus sum of the digit, and let me show you that. So just select that plus this one. So the next number is 49. You can see this 49. So if I just choose 77, then you can see the next number is 91. So we already have that next number calculation, right? I can generate a lambda using OA You can sign up for OA in oarobot.com, I guess. Yeah, so you can sign up for beta tester and follow the robot. You can click on that and you can sign up for beta testing, and then you will have that access to that particular tool. Awesome tool, actually. So okay, so we can generate the lambda state mean from that previous number. This is my next number, lambda. Okay, I'm going to mark this as a let step mark lambda. Sorry, let me provide that next number level. So mark that as let step ref underscore next number. Okay, now what do you need to do? We need to generate 10,000 numbers, as it says on this particular challenge, that find first 10,000 terms, right? So what you can do, we can just run a sequence, right, and that is going to be of 10,000 rows, and I don't need the column part. So that is going to give me that all the 10,000 numbers. Now I need to know the previous number, and that is the perfect match for scan function, because scan is takes an initial value, right, that is going to be 1, and then an array that is going to be 10,000, and then the function, and that function takes two arguments, accumulator and current value. So this current value is going to be whatever we have in this sequence. Okay, so sequence is going to return me 10,000 numbers, and for each number the C will be those each numbers, okay, and A is the calculated values of the previous step, okay, and initially it will start with 1. So what I can do, I can just say let step ref let step underscore next number, and then I'm just going to provide that A, and let's see what it does. So I get 2 4 8 16 23 28 38, and that is these numbers. Now you can see the first two number is not here, so what you can do, we can just neglect that 2 because first two number is 1 1, so remove that 2 and then just vstack them, right? So vstack 1 1, and that's it. And let me check if that expected output match, and you can say it says true, so that means all the number that is expected is there in this particular output. Now we can generate a lambda out of this. So sum of sequences digit sequences, and that is run this generate lambda statement again, and you can see this next number is embedded in that final lambda, right? And that's it. And it's just providing this no parameter lambda, but what we can do, that number 10,000, right? So let's see this 10,000. So let me, total number is 10,000. So now just change this 10,000 with the reference here, and let's try to generate lambda statement again. And now you can see it says k2, and that is the total number is the parameter. You can change that total number. Let's say I just want first 10 number. You can see first 10 number 38 49, so that is this one. You can change this to 1000 or 10,000 or more, and it will return me that particular number of inputs. Now you can save this lambda as a benefit, bonus. So save lambda and run this like sum of digit sequences, and that's it. Now we can just use this sum of digit sequence. Provide 10, it will return me 10. If I provide 100, it will return 100, and so on. And that's it for this. Let me know if you have any question, and have a good day.